Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix PDF not opening in WhatsApp. So currently right now I have in here this PDF. So you can click on it and you can see if it's actually opening. So typically the actual reason why it's not opening is you don't have a PDF viewer on your phone. As you can see right here, I have a PDF viewer which is called Mega, and I also have in here a Scanner, Terabox. I have files right here and also my Google Drive. So you can just choose in here which one you want to use as an application in order to successfully open it. So for example, let's choose in here our files and let's open it just once. And you can also save it into your files right here. Now you also have other options like opening it on Mega. You can install the Mega application and click on just once right here. And it should be able to open that particular PDF. You also have the option to save it into your cloud drive in order to save it from there. So in there, you have noticed that you can just have in here an application that can open that particular PDF. So that's how you fix PDF not opening in WhatsApp. Hope you help.